Dexxlan here. We're going to be going over a quick tip guide and performance improvement for your ROG Allo because we have been getting a lot of complaints and a lot of returns, and some of them are due to user errors because this is not a friendly device for newcomers or casuals. So what we're going to do with that little triangle button that I just showed you, go to keyboard, reset your system. This will help you put in passwords and allow you to actually log into the device for the first time. Once that is done, we're going to be presented with a nice new shiny version of Windows 11. And first things first, it is not skippable. You must do that. Hit your little Windows button. Go to Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Windows Update. Again, this is not optional. This is a must. If you do not do this, your system will not work correctly at all. Click Check for Updates. I have already done this, so I will not have updates. Install all the updates that is required. Once all updates are done, it will reset. If you're finding this video useful, I would appreciate that like and subscribe button. And let's get back into the video. So the next step will be Armor Crate application. So what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to hit the little button right here. It will bring up your Armor Crate. And then we're going to go over to Update System. Make sure you click Check for Updates. I've already done that, but this is what the screen will look like. If you have any updates, it will do that, and it will do a firmware update, and you will have a BIOS update for the first time. Please make sure your device is plugged in. If it is not and it cuts off or crashes, you may have issues. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to do a little bit of a performance increase on this bad boy. We're going to go to Settings in our Armor Crate, go down to GPU Settings. We're going to move this from the default 4 GB to the default, to the new 8 GB of VRAM. Very useful. This will help you get better performance on AAA games like Diablo 4, Modern Warfare 2, and many, many others. Make sure these are on. If they're off, you can have issues. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's fix the coil whine. So what we're going to do is hit your little Windows button. We're going to go to Settings again. Sorry, this is not showing. My fingers/hands was in the way. So once you get there, you hit System. You'll go down until you see a Power and Battery option. And then once you get that, you're going to scroll down, you're going to hit Power Mode, and then you're going to move it from Balance to Best Performance. This will help you decrease the coil whine. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.